Oh,
Do you need it? Help?
Hey everyone, welcome back to MS English AI. Today, we're diving into something incredibly useful. English for the street. Real English. The kind you need the moment you step outside, the moment you travel, or the moment you get lost in a new place. We're learning how to ask for directions. Simple words like left, right, straight, near, far. Tiny words, but trust me, they save your life when you don't know where you're going. So Ina, let's make this fun. Imagine you're standing on a busy street, maybe in New York or Los Angeles, checking your phone, and I walk up to you completely confused, because honestly, I get lost very easily.
Hi. Of course. I'm standing there, the noise of cars behind me, and you walk up looking a little lost. I smile and say, "Hi, do you need help?" Because you look like you're searching for something, and then you say,
Right. I look at you and say, yes, thank you. I'm actually looking for the nearest coffee shop. And I'm hoping you don't say it's 1 hour away.
and luckily it's not. So I say, "Sure, it's very close. Go straight for about 2 minutes, then turn left. You'll see it on the right side." Nice, simple, clear.
Exactly. That's how easy it is. Straight, left, right. You don't need big words, just clear ones. And if the place is far, you can say, it's a little far from here. Or you need to walk for 10 minutes. Or you should take a bus or a taxi.
Or the best one, "Sorry, I'm not from here." That helps too.
Yes, that line saves everyone. And here's something important. If someone asks you for directions, you can always confirm what they mean. For example, do you mean the park? Or do you mean the museum? Because on the street, one wrong direction can send someone far away.
Exactly. And if you're the one asking, keep it polite and simple. Start with, "Excuse me." Then say, "Can you help me?" Or "Where is?" Or "How do I get to?" And that's it. Friendly, clear, natural.
Tone matters too. When you give directions, speak slowly. Point with your hand if needed. Smile. A friendly direction is better than a perfect sentence. And you can make it even easier by adding landmarks, like it's near the big supermarket, or it's next to the hospital, or it's behind the park.
And don't worry about being perfect. The goal is communication. If they understand left, right, straight, near, far, you're already winning.
So guys, practice these small, powerful words. They will help you anywhere in the world. And next time you travel, you won't feel lost. You'll feel ready.
See you in the next video. Bye.